Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Say hello. No, 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 hello, no. Yes, your girl is back with another funny and crazy video. All right, today we are gonna be doing something different. Okay, so today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to sew a wig on your hair without gluing it. So actually we are gonna be using this big afro here. Okay, your girl is going to holiday next tomorrow, so actually I want to have this wig on my hair the whole time. I don't want to like taking off the wig and put it in the bag, taking it off, put it in the bag. Sometimes you feel really tired of putting your wig back, taking it off. To put the wig on your hair without taking it off, you can actually leave the wig on your hair for like 1 week, the whole week. Then if you know that you want to take it off, you just take the wig off and wash the wig. If you want to replace the wig, you can also replace the wig. Because I remember one day your girl was wearing this wig. We went night out, we was dancing and dancing and dancing. Like, let me show it to you guys. Yes, so we was dancing and dancing and phew. The wig cap that I have inside the wig. Anyway, this wig is made by me. Okay, yes, if you want me to do a video about that, just let me know on the comment section. So I bought this wig cap, and the wig cap actually doesn't have a comb. I don't even like too much comb on my wig because it's always disturbing and it hurts on the side that they hurt badly. So I think this method is better because you just stitch it here, stitch it on the side like this, stitch it up, just stitch it around, and that's basically what I'm gonna be showing you today. So I had a wig cap. Like, obviously I'm gonna be using this wig for 1 week. Like I said, we are going to holidays, we're going to cruise ship. If you want to see those vlogging, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. So I already washed my hair yesterday and I cornrowed the hair, and I also did a video of how to treat your hair, the oil that I use to treat my hair. The video is also coming up soon. If you know you also don't want to miss that, subscribe. So anyway, I'm gonna be using this wig cap first, and I'm gonna be putting the wig cap like this to protect my edges. And what we are going to be doing is I'm going to be wearing the wig for you guys to see. So this is actually how the wig looks right now, so it can easily get off. Yes. So we are going to be stitching the wig. If you know you want to see how I stitch this wig on my head, stay tuned. As you guys can see, you see where the band of the wig is starting from. So this is where we are gonna be stitching to my hair. And I got some I got a needle and thread. So how you are gonna be stitching the wig, you are gonna take the needle like this and put it on the wig like this, on the band of the wig, and put it on your hair like this, and put it out and pull the thread down. And then we are gonna be putting the threads like tight, and then we are gonna take it down. Just pull it down. It's pretty easy, guys. You don't even need time. Like, this time you're gonna do this, it's just gonna take you like 5 minutes. Put it down like this and take the threads like this, tied 1 or 2 times, oh god, and take it down. You can do it big, you can do it smaller. You don't even need to like go close here. Like I said, you can see how it works. Like the needle like this again, and then you tie it down. So we are going to this side. So put the needle here, put it below the hair and the wig cap that you have inside, and like this, and pull again to this side. Put the needle like this. This is my hair here, and put the needle inside like this, Go like this, 1, 2, and tie. So this is basically how we are going to be sewing everything around. Just stitch them around, and when I'm done, and I will get back to you guys. So that's it, guys, and this is the wig. And now I can swing, I can swing, I can swing, I can swing, 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 swing. Wait. Crazy beans. I think you guys can see.